The flocks of birds were spectacular, as were the fireflies, and even the bioluminescent plankton was breathtaking. It is a wonderful experience to take a boat to see fireflies, eagles, blue tears, and experience the local ecological environment. The tour guide is very serious in explaining and serving, trying to let tourists understand the natural ecology, which is a rich ecological experience. It is not difficult to order hop on the return trip. You can make an appointment for hop before arriving at the local area. I participated in the Sky Mirror tour. The place where we were guided by boat was a shallow sea and the color of the sea was not very good, so I wondered if I could really take beautiful photos like this. However, the staff made various efforts such as digging sand at the bottom of the water, and I was able to take beautiful photos that I was satisfied with. I would like to thank all the staff. The service was also very good, and a bottle of mineral water was given for free. Other families were full, but we didn't, and number 39, T had many people this time. Very good. You will receive an email informing you of the time. We waited about an hour longer there. It should be because the sky was still bright, so the time was delayed. At the same time, many boats will depart together, so there will be no crowding and space for activities. Most of the service staff are Chinese and can speak Chinese. After the gathering time, the service staff will say your name. Because it is in Pinyin, it is not very standard, but it is completely understandable. After putting on a life jacket, go to the grouped boat and wait. You will see eagles flying higher, but there are not many of them. The others should be seagulls? I and number 39, am not sure about the species. The captain will help everyone take photos in the afterglow of the sunset. After it gets dark, we will go to the other side to watch fireflies. There are so many fireflies that they are comparable to the stars in the sky. Finally, you can use a net to see the blue tears. The water will be slightly blue when it is wavy. On the way back, the captain will use the boat to stir up waves. The blue tears are very obvious to the naked eye. They are really beautiful. The different times when the water recedes make people marvel at the magic of nature. The staff professionally took unforgettable photos for us, which were fun and joyful. On the way there by boat, we saw some dolphins, and on the way to the photo spot, we saw crabs, hermit crabs, and various sea creatures, which made the kids very happy. They also suggested many fun poses for the photo shoot, and we could see the finished photos right away, so we had a great time showing them to the people on the boat. The scenery is beautiful, it's a very different feeling, the fireflies are beautiful, it's the first time I saw so many eagles circling. It started at 6:30, so at the end the boatman took us to watch the sunset. The staff was very kind. You must remember to wear protective gear when watching the fireflies mosquito liquid. A very unforgettable experience. Go again if I have the chance.